Iceberg Raki, pistol cells Raki, strip Raki, origami Raki, and circle Raki. And now we are making ice cream stick Raki. For that we got ice cream sticks, then one paper like this way, then orange, white, and green color, one brush, scissor, fevicol, decorative materials, and strip. So let's start to make ice cream Raki. So you have to cut in the shape Raki. I already cut it. Now I'll show you how to do this. You have to take this, draw this color, draw this shape like this way, and we require section like this. One more we require. So our six shape is ready. Now we have to do the color on it. So let's start to coloring. Take the rough page, then brush. Now start doing. We require two green, two orange, and two white like this way, and let them keep a dry like this way. Now we have to do coloring like this way, and keep them for drying. Like this we have to do with orange and white also. Now already done the color orange with green and white. After that we have to make the raki. So we will take base for this. We will take the cap measurement and we will cut the circle. Now we will fold from the middle like this way, from both the sides. And now we will start sticking. We will cut vertical for this. First we will stick the orange color, stick like this, in middle line like this way. Then we will take the white color here. Now we will take the green color. Now we will take the orange color. Now we will take the white color. Now we will take the green color. Now we put some decoration over here. We put the fevicol. We have to stick on it this way. This way. So that is ready. Now we have to stick. So we require thread for this, like this way, and we require one circle. So let's stick this like this way. Now we put this raki over here, like this way. So our ice cream raki is also ready. Our ice cream raki is also ready. Now we are getting started raki. So we require brush, orange, green, and white colors. Pistol cells, we require tape. Now first we have to remove this. So we can put the over here. Now first we have to color the pistol cells over here. So to color it, we have to hold it like this way, and we have to give the colors like this way. And you have to keep color drying like this way. And we have the color over here. And for dry. The same step we have to do with orange, white, and green color. We have to color them also. I have already these colors. I have already the colors green, orange, green color, and blue, white. Now we have circle here. So what we do? We can take the cap over. We draw the circle here, and we will cut it. Now we'll stick this. So we will put the circle here, and we'll stick it like this way. Now let it dry. Later we will make the here. So you can make this rose, and you can see over here. Now I'll show you how to make this rose. I will show you how to do this rose. You have to take blue color paper. You have to draw one circle like this way. Then you have to draw the continuous circle over here, like this way. Then with help of the scissor, you have to cut this circle. Now cut this part. Now roll this part like this way. So your rose is ready. Now you have to, with help of this Fevicol, you have to stick on it. So your rose is ready, like this way on it. So we require one circle like this way. One set ribbon, you can take the set ribbon also here. First we will stick this. Then we stop. Take the carefully this, and we have to. So our pistachios Rakhi is also ready. Our pistachios Rakhi is also ready. Now we are making the Rakhi from 20 strips. If you don't get it 20 strips, you can use a tinted paper. You can take 1 centimeter and you can cut the strips. Now what we have to do? We have to fold the strip in half and we have to cut it like this way. The same thing we have to do with the green and white also. In this strip we require 2 orange strips like this way. First we have to fold from the middle like this way and put the Fevicol over here, one drop only. Now the second strip, first we are making plus sign like this way. First we are making plus sign like this way. Now we are taking green color. Again we have to fold from the middle like this way and put the Fevicol over here, one drop only. Then stick it like this way. Again we are taking green color. Now we are making X and we are sticking like this way. Now we will take the white strip. Now between green and orange we have to put white strip. We require 4 strip over here like this way. Then again we will fold from the middle like this way and we can stick over here like this way. Again we will take one more strip. We will put the Fevicol over here. We will fold from the middle like this way. Then we will stick over here. The same step we will do over here. Fold it and take the Fevicol and we will stick over here like this way. Now we will start sticking. First put the Fevicol and we will stick orange strip like this way. Then again we put the Fevicol and we will stick white strip. Then again we put Fevicol and we will stick green color. Same step we have to follow. Location over here like this way. Now we'll stick the thread. Again, you whatever you have a thread, you can take this thread. We require one circle to stick it. So our strip Rakhi is ready. Now we are making another Rakhi from circle. For which required orange, white, and green circle. That this band and Fevicol and decorative material. Now let's start to make. First we have to fold the circle from half like this way. Then we have to give the crease. Then this middle line we have to fold the paper. Give the crease. Again we have to fold the paper and give the crease. Now unfold it. The same step you have to follow over here. Till middle line you have to fold the paper. Again you have to fold the strip and you have to give the crease. Now unfold it. Now we are doing fan folding. We have to take the paper up, then turn the paper. Again fold the strip, turn the paper. Again fold the strip, turn the paper. Again fold the strip, turn the paper, fold the strip and turn the paper. Now we have to fold from the middle like this way and press it. Now till this part only, you have to put Fevicol. You have to put Fevicol like this way. Only small part we have. Like this we have to put the Fevicol and we have to stick it like this way. Like this way. I have already done with the white paper. Now we will do with the green paper. First we have to fold from the middle like this way and give the crease. Again unfold it till middle line, fold the paper, give the crease. Again with the crease like this way. Now unfold it. The same step we are folding over here. Till middle line we fold the paper, giving the crease. Again we fold the strip and give the crease. Now unfold it. Now we start make the fan folding. First we take the paper up like this way. Then turn the paper, fold the strip, 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 turn the paper, and fold the strip. Now fold from the middle like this way. Now till this part only, put the Fevicol and stick it like this way. Now open it. Now we will stick the parts. First we will stick orange and white. We will put the Fevicol over here only and we will stick it like this way. Now green color part. Stick this together like this. So that is ready. That is ready. We'll put some decoration over here. Now we will stick the thread. For that we require one circle. First we put the thread over here like this way. Then we will stick this circle on it like this way. So Rakhi is ready. Our Rakhi is ready. Hello students, we are making Rakhi. From origami we are making origami Rakhi. For that we require 3 origami paper, orange, white and green, one thread. And you have any decoration material with you, and you can keep that also. So let's start. First we have to fold this paper in a rectangle shape like this way. Then again we have to fold it. Then we have to unfold. Now there are 4 squares there. We require 3 for this Rakhi. With help of the scale or scissor, you can cut the squares. The same thing we have to do with orange and white also. Only in white we require 2 squares. In orange color and green color we require 3 squares. So we will take 1 square here. Now first we have to fold the triangle shape like this way. Then we have to give the crease. Then again we have to fold the triangle and we have to give the crease. Crease is very much important, so please give the crease properly. Now you have to open this triangle like this way. Then again you have to fold from the middle like this way and give the crease. Now hold the triangle like this way and press it. It will become a square. The same step we are doing here. First we fold the triangle like this way and we will give the crease. Now we hold the triangle like this way and we will press it and we will get the square. Now this is the open part. So we are folding triangle from both the sides like this way and we will give the crease. The same way we fold the triangle, we will give the crease, and from this up triangle we will fold it like this and we will give the crease. Now we unfolded everything. Now I will open like this way and I will fold it where I give the crease. So I will get the diamond shape or Kaju shape like this way. Now I will do with the orange part also the same way. First I fold the triangle like this way and give the crease. Again I will fold the triangle and give the crease. Now I will open it like this way. Again I will fold it and give the crease. Now I will fold the triangle like this way and I will put my finger inside and I will press it. So again get the square. Again I will repeat the same steps. Give the crease, hold it and press it. Now from the open part I will again pull the triangle from both the side till middle line like this way. This way. Then I will fold the triangle like this way, give the crease. Now unfold it. Now again I will hold the triangle like this way and I will press it. So again I will get the triangle shape, diamond shape or Kaju shape. Now I have made this type of 2 white, 3 orange and 3 this. Now I will have to stick. For sticking we require Fevicol. For sticking we require Fevicol. Now first we will do with the orange part. We will put the gum over here, Fevicol over here. And I will paste this part like this way. The same step I will do here. Again I put the Fevicol over here and I will stick another orange part over here like this way. The same, I will take the white this and I will stick over here. The same step. Now I will take the green color and I will place it over here like this way. Again I take the green color. Again I take the green color over here. Now I will take the white color. So my origami Rakhi is ready. Now if you want to stick, you can stick this also, or you want to stick decorative material, you can stick decorative material also like this way. Now we will stick the thread. Okay, you can use any thread whichever you have. Okay, we have to turn this. We have to keep like this thread and we have to stick it like this way. So our origami Rakhi is ready. Our origami Rakhi is ready. You can make it small also if you want. Okay.